Here we are once more, Alf. Good morning to you. Here, Tofu, come down here. We're out watching wee Tofu. And look, who we brought. You know, I felt that sorry for him. Wee Malik. Every time I've got her up at the house and I go to take her back. I'm keeping an eye for other dogs. Come here, son, here, down here. He jumps in the car and I thought, oh, to hell with it. Come here, son, want to see the waterfall? I think he's actually overwhelmed with it. But he's loving it. You've been good boys. He had a wee thing with a snap at her. He doesn't seem to like wee hairy dogs. Them and huskies, he's got a thing about them. But you know, he's old. I had to put the nice waterfall on his bucket list. So take a wee moment out, my friends, and listen to that. Oh my goodness, what do you think now? Do you like it? Can't really just let him ramble because sometimes the other dog comes up this way. He's loving it. Right, do you want to come round here? Come on, wee Malik, and we'll show you this. Look at him. God love him. And wee Tofu. And big Darcy. Come on then, we'll go down here and we'll show you this. Come on, wee son. He's 14 now, he deserves it, doesn't he? Right, sometimes you see joggers coming up here. Joggers and other dog walkers. I need to go a bit slower because this is going blurry. I've got to stay ahead of the game with him. Right, look at the Darcy. She goes into mountain lion mode when she comes down here. Hey, come on, see this, Malik. You want to see a nice wee beach? Well, it's not really, but we'll pretend it is. Right, Malik, come on then. Wee Tofu. She loves out a pack walk. Come on, son. I think you like that waterfall. I just wanted to sit there and listen to it. Right, down here, son. This way here. Tofu, come. Down here, Malik. Such a good boy, aren't you? You're such a good girl. Two good girls. Right, so here we are once again. Out in the early morning. In nature. Oh, nothing like it. Breathe it all in, Alf. Oh, there's a freshness because of that waterfall. I think we can't see it from here. There's wee Malky getting a paddle. Look at her, she copies him. She goes in for a paddle and a pedal at the same time. Big Darcy's on mountain lion watch mode, look. Whatever Malik does, she copies, look. Right, so, yay! Yay! Look how happy he is. I've got to keep all eyes on right across this forest. Right, so anyway, that's your nice, the good news for today. Maliki has not been excluded. Tofu, here. Come on. Come on, Malik. Yay, look at that good boy. Do you want a wee treat, son? I think that deserves a wee treat. Oh, here a dog coming. Right, I'll need to treat him very quickly and get a lead on him. There we go. Right, we're off. Cheerio.